Hey, Mr. G, and let's work on some fingerstyle practicing with our index and middle finger doing the picking. Okay? Now let's just use a simple kind of an E blues scale type of lick. And what we'll do is we'll just start off here using both fingers to pluck away on your first and second string. So we'll play that first and second string. We'll play the first string using our ring finger, the pluck, and we'll play the second string or the B string with our index finger to pluck. So we'll do a little lick here. I'll start off with the first string open, and then the second string, I'll put my ring finger on the third fret. I'll play the D note. And I'll play this little lick here, kind of a, hear that ba 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 ba. I'll slide that ring finger up 2 frets to the 5th fret. I'll do the same kind of a rhythm, ba 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 ba. So far we got. And then we'll slide that ring finger up, again, the second string, all the way up to the 8th fret. We'll put our middle finger on the 7th fret, first string. We'll kind of just bend them both a little. So like this. So again, we're practicing our plucking there with the first and second finger. And then what we're going to do is, after going bum, 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 we'll use these same 2 plucking fingers. And we'll come up here and we'll go. So we're going to pluck the third string with your index finger and the second string with the middle finger. So go here to the 2nd fret, 3rd string with the middle finger. Pluck it with your plucking hand, your index finger, and slide it up 2 frets. Place on your fretting hand your index finger now on the 3rd fret, 2nd string. Pluck those again with your index and middle finger. Place your ring finger now on the 2nd string, 5th fret. Pluck them again using your index finger on the 3rd string, middle finger on the 2nd string. Then go ahead and pluck again with your plucking hand, the index finger on the 3rd string, middle finger on the 2nd string. You're going to play these notes. Index finger on 3rd fret, 2nd string, middle finger on 4th fret, 3rd string. So kind of like this so far. And then just play 3rd and 2nd string open. Pluck them again with your index and middle finger. On your fretting hand, put your middle finger on the 2nd fret, 2nd and 3rd strings. Slide up 1 fret. Slide it down 1 fret. Play that open G note with your index finger. And then ending on E7. And just use your index finger. Go up with that. And the E7 is basically strings 1, 2 are open. Strings 3 are your G string. Put our index finger on the 1st fret. We'll play that open D on the 4th string. We'll place our middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 5th string. And we'll play an open E in the 6th string, like this. So kind of like this. One more time. I'll do a little slower. Again, that's a good little exercise trying to learn how to use those index, middle, picking fingers for fingerstyle. Again, you want to practice with all your different fingers for fingerstyle, different exercises, and you can check out my other videos for other exercises. Keep on jamming.